Hey guys, it's Mana today. Like I said, another video, and today we're gonna be making two easy simple Valentine's Day gifts. Sorry I haven't posted in quite a long time, but yeah, that's fine. I'm back. So I will be making more videos. So let's get started on making our Valentine's Day gifts. These are super duper simple and easy and quick, and you could easily access the materials at home. You could just find them around your house. I'm pretty sure you have all them, and they are really cute as well. And I'm pretty sure your loved ones will love them so much and really appreciate it. So let's get started. So first we're gonna draw lines on all four sides. We're making a gift basket, and the line should be about 3.5 centimeters inwards, and it should stretch across the whole sides. Do this all four sides. Next, you're going to cut the lines, not all the way through, just till the point that intersects. Here, let me mark it with my pencil. So you see that point, you want to cut it till that point, and you want to do that to all four sides. You don't want to cut the rest of it, otherwise you're just going to cut the whole chunk off, and there will be no use of drawing that line. You just want to cut it until the points intersect, and you don't want to cut it to both sides. You only want to cut it one side when one point that intersects. Creases. I'm going to be using a ruler to do so it could be perfect, because the ruler can mark where the line is, so you can fold it exactly on the line. I tried doing it without the ruler and it didn't really work out well, so that was only for one side I did with the ruler. The other sides I didn't really have to do, because it would stop by that self after I reached that point. That's a good thing about this. Next, we're going to be putting the box together. Now you have to decide which way you're going to put it. If you're going to put the pieces inwards, or are you going to put them outwards. See, it's just when you make those fold, it easily just pulls up by itself. You don't need to do anything. It just easily comes up. So I decided it worked out for me the best to glue those flaps on the outside instead of the inside. But of course, you could do the inside if it works better for you. And by the way, if you see some writing inside the paper, that's because I glued two thick pieces of paper together so it could hold all the items. Otherwise, the basket's going to be too heavy and it's going to crinkle the paper. So we need to use thick paper. You could use construction paper, but I'm just going to be gluing two thick pieces of paper together, because construction paper doesn't really fold neatly, in my opinion. It forms many other creases. So now you're just gonna stick these sides with tape, all four sides. So guys, now we can fill our basket with stuff as the folding is finished. So I'm going to fill it up with sugary snacks. You don't have to fill it up with sugary snacks. You can fill it up with savory snacks. You could fill it up with a bunch of mixture of things. You could fill it up with not even food. You could just fill it up with makeup, art supplies, anything you like and your loved one likes. Yeah, try not to put too heavy stuff in it though. Otherwise, it'll be too heavy to carry. Yeah. So I'm just arranging things on here, and then our basket is finished. So the next DIY we're going to be doing is DIY stickers. So you want to start off with A4 paper, any paper, and you're just going to draw designs, any designs you want. It's customizable. Yeah, so I'm going to draw a couple of designs. I'm going to draw a heart envelope, a coffee mug with hearts floating out of it, stuff like that. However you want your stickers to look like, basically. So, yeah. I finished drawing this design, so I'm just gonna color it in with some markers. You could color it in with some color pencils, but I just wanted to color it in with some markers. Okay, so I'm just finishing up the last of my stickers. As you can see, I only colored in one of them. The other ones, I just wanted to kind of be like doodles, so they look just like outline stickers, not really like there's not really like anything in them, but you could obviously color it. Now you want to cut it. Okay, I cut them. Now I'm going to be using a plastic sheet to put stickers on. You could use a wax sheet, obviously. Just use a sheet that it doesn't stick on. Now you're going to stick on some tape on a sheet so that you could like peel it off and it won't like stick to it. And then you're going to lay your stickers one by one on top of them. Make sure they have a good amount of distance. You'll see why in a second. Next you want to put another layer on tape on top of the stickers. Press it to get rid of air bubbles so it'll be nice and flat. Then you're going to peel off the stickers off the wax paper, and then you're just going to cut out the stickers one by one. Now when you're cutting it, there's this really important thing. You have to make sure you're leaving kind of like a edge around it. You don't want to like cut like directly. You want to leave like a edge around it. This is so it keeps the stickers together and it won't like fall apart and the paper will slide out if you don't have the edge. So make sure to cut out on the edge like I'm doing so right here. And then you could stick your stickers on your sheet, your plastic sheet or wax sheet, and do the same thing to the rest of the stickers. So now that I've finished my stickers, I'm going to be doing a demo on how to use them. Basically it's like normal stickers, so I'm just gonna peel one off and see, it's like a normal sticker. It could stick on, it's not falling off. It could stick on clothes too, and it could stick on basically anything, just like a normal sticker. It's like a normal sticker. Don't look at it as like paper. It's actually, just think of it as a normal sticker. It's not falling off and your stickers are done. Okay guys, so that's all I had for you guys today. I know it's only two, but both of them are really good presents. So I hope you guys will make this at home and go to your loved ones. I'm positive they will love them. So guys, anyways, I hope you like this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all next time with a new fun video. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Goodbye.